paying less shipping payment on Pandabuy is pretty easy. Today, I'm going to show you how to pay less shipping on your Pandabuy product. So for that, we will go to our Pandabuy website. I'm just going to go to Pandabuy and I will go to their website. And now what you have to do is you have to make sure that you are logged into your account. As you guys can see, I'm logged into my account. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my profile and click on order. These are the orders that I have not placed any order yet, so I cannot show you exactly how to do it. But I have some example photos. So when you buy a product, they charge you according to either your volume of the products or the weight of your products. So as you guys can see, the weight of the product is 9 kilos and the volume is pretty much. They will charge us for the attribute which has more value. Suppose if this volume cost us about $10 and the weight cost us about $20, they will charge us for the kilos. So while ordering, be careful, balance the weight and volume. And the second thing you can do is you can remove the net weights. Now what it will do is it will remove the packaging. Suppose you're buying a shoes, it will remove the boxes and extra stuff. That will only cause you the volume. In case if you don't want to resell, it won't even matter to you. And now the third thing is there are some of the Chinese guys, they will ship it to you, but in cheaper price. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the new tab and type in rep forwarding. And you have to go to this Reddit's website. And now what it will do is it will show you some of the guys or some of the retailers which will do the shipping to you, but in cheaper case. So that's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.